So the first thing I'm going to do right here is for me to come over to TikTok and search for dancing videos. Dancing videos right here. Let me click on that. Something like this, or maybe something like this one. Let me just go ahead and click on the share button. Let me go ahead and copy the link. The next thing I'm going to do is for me to take this link to a website called Snaptic. Okay, Snaptic is actually a website that allows you to save TikTok videos, and the best part about it is that you can save it clean and clear without the distraction from the watermark. That's what Snaptic is all about. You go ahead and paste the link right here, and let me click on download. So I just need to scroll down and click on download video. So they are going to pop up some art. Let me just cancel the art, and the video is downloading. Let's wait for the video to finish, and the video just finished downloading, and that is the video without the watermark. Very clean and clear. Now, why am I downloading this video? I know some of you might be confused. Solomon, what are you doing? All right, so a few days ago I came up and I made a video. I talked about how to make money online with music without being a producer or a music director or whatever. And I also mentioned a method that they can make money on TikTok. I made that video. So if you have not checked that video out, still go and check it out. You might learn a lot from that particular video. And in that video I told people, if you want me to use AI and create these TikTok dancing videos, you should let me know in the comment section. And today I want to come here and create that particular video. Let me show you how you can actually create these particular videos using AI. Mind you, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. The truth is that I'm just passing an information based on what I know. So this might not work for you. So for the fact that you're watching this video does not mean after you finish watching the video you start earning money online. That's a lie. But I believe you're going to learn a thing or two from this particular video. So how you use this information matters a lot. It might be relevant to you, it might not be relevant to you. Okay, now I just want you to know that this is not a financial advice. I'm just sharing my opinion. If you see me for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. This is Solid Pictures TV. I talk about different side hustles. If you want to get more content from me, like the video, share the video, click on the subscribe button. If I drop new content, they are going to notify you, and you're going to be the first person to check it out. Guys, make sure you join our community right here on YouTube. Click on that join button, click on my profile, click on the join button, or just click on the thank you button to appreciate the video if you are getting any value from my channel. That is just to support me. Thank you very much. Don't forget to comment where you're watching from in the comment section. So the yapping is so much. Let's get started. The next thing you have to do is for you to take a screenshot of the video. So open the video you just downloaded and take a screenshot from that particular video. I took a screenshot from some of the videos I downloaded. This is one of the screenshots. This is another one right here, and this is another one right here, and I think this is another one too. Okay, I took some screenshots from the video. After you do this one, the next one is for you to go over to ChatGPT, import the photos you got from the screenshot. Okay, these are the photos I imported into ChatGPT. This is the prompt I gave it. The prompt is too long. After I gave ChatGPT this prompt, ChatGPT wrote a prompt for me. Now this prompt is for me to create my own character in this same style. This is the prompt ChatGPT wrote for me. You can see how long it is. So I collected two in one prompt. The first prompt is for me to create a real human character, and the second prompt was for me to create a 3D animation character. After you get the prompt, now if you need the prompt, just comment prompts in the comment section, or join my Telegram channel. Message me on Telegram. I'm going to drop the prompt for you. Join my Telegram channel is very important. That's the handle on the screen, or you can check the link below for you to get the prompt. After you get the prompt, take the prompt over to Gemini, paste the prompt and your reference photo, something like this. So this is my character right here. This is amazing, right? Look at how beautiful she is. So this is our 3D style, and this is our human character. Now go ahead and download them and keep them in your phone. The next thing is for you to take this particular image into your Canva app. Why are you doing that? You're doing that because we want to remove the watermark from this particular photo. Import your photo. Just come here and click on the select icon, then come down here and click on the brush. Just brush out the watermark just like this, and just brush it out. After you brush it out, just click on the remove, and after that your image will be okay. After that, just go ahead and export the image just like this. Our image is actually okay. The next thing, you can see that the image is a little bit darker. So the next thing we can do right is for us to take the image into Adobe Lightroom. You don't have to do this part. You can see the one we got from Lightroom and the one we got from Canva. The next thing is for you to go to an AI called Klingai. Klingai, very simple. Klingai it's a video generator, a photo generator, and it does a lot of things. But they have something they call motion control. I am going to drop the link for you in the comments or in the description so they can download Klingai. Download and install Klingai into your device. Sign up your account with your Google account. Alright, so this is how Klingai actually looks like. Now you're going to see the same omni, they say image, AI image, they say AI video. If you scroll, now you can see image to video, you can see all these ones, but the one we want to use is this one they call motion control. Now let me click it for you to see. This is motion control, is the one we want to use today. I'm going to go ahead and click on motion control. Now what you do is that these are some of the available motions. So if you don't like any of the motions here, we got a dancing video, just come here and click on this upload right here. Let me give you a little tip. The maximum duration of clip that you can upload here is 30 seconds. That's the max. And the thing is that the higher the clip, the more credit, or the longer the clip, the more credit they deduct from your account. So you can use 10 to 15 seconds, but if you use over 20 to 30 seconds, they're going to charge you over 200 credit. Okay, AI investment is what is paying right now. You cannot say you want to use AI like this one and you don't want to pay, or you don't want to pay for credit or buy credit. It's not going to work. You have to invest a little amount of money to buy credit from them. They are going to give you free credit. The free credit there will not be enough, so you have to buy credit from the platform. So how can you do that? Come down to your profile right here. You're going to see this particular place right here. I'm going to show you how I bought my own. Come down here and click on this VIP. You can pay for a week 2,000 naira. You can buy 100 credit for it to become a VIP. You can pay them 18,000 naira, and they're going to give you over 660 credit for you to use for a month. If you're doing the motion, it's going to consume a lot of credit. You have to invest in AI. It's very important. You cannot say you want to use AI and you're not willing to spend. What you have to do right here is for you to import the clip. Remember, I told you the best is for you to use 10-15 second clip. So import the video you got from TikTok, then come down here and import the image. They're going to charge me over 130 credits for me to generate this. Let me just click on generate right here. Our video is done generating. So this is the video right here. This is the video, and I'm just going to come down here and just click on the download icon, and you can see download 1/1. The video is actually downloading right now. Okay, this is the original video we did. Okay, all right, and this is the one we just got from AI. This is our character. Oh my god, this is the one we got from our character. I created another one with this same method, came down here and I imported my first video, my motion clip. I imported the motion clip again. Now the second thing, I click on the top, I change the AI model. They have matches video, they have matches images. What you click on matches video. Let's select 720p because we are saving our credit to generate only one. Then you can see original sound, tick that on. 99 credit, let's just click on generate. So it's going to take some time to generate. So after that, our generation is actually done. This is AI. This is our AI motion control. This is actually beautiful. This is amazing. This is the real video I got from TikTok, the Asian girl. This is the real one, and this is the AI one right here. So you can see the difference right there. I know most people cannot tell that this is AI or this is not AI or something. Most people will not be able to tell if this is AI or not. This is the first one, and this is the second one right here. The first one and the second one, you can see how smooth they are, and these are the original videos right here. Create a page on TikTok and start posting this, and you have like 1,000 followers on TikTok. Come over to TikTok right here, just click on the TikTok studio icon. So just scroll down, you're going to see what they say work with artists. This is where you can actually use people's sound on TikTok and they pay you for using their sound. You can dance to their sound, you can do whatever you want to do with their sound, and they pay you right here for using their sound on TikTok. And mind you, you can also post this on Facebook. You can post this on Facebook through Instagram, you can post this on Instagram, you can post this on YouTube. I just posted this on one of my YouTube pages right here. Are you going to try this? Just let me know in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in my next video.